Hello math lovers, welcome to the channel. We have a very practical question in this video. The question is, three villages A, B and C form a right angled triangle at B. I started to cycle from C to my home village A in a straight line. After going 30 kilometers from C, I reached a village M and then another village N. Before reaching my home village A, the triangle formed by B, M and A is right angled at M. While the triangle formed by BC and N is equilateral, what will be the distance covered by me if I think of making a round trip from my home on the triangle formed by the villages A, B and N? Okay, so let's understand the question first. Three villages A, B and C are given that form a right angled triangle at B. Then the guy in question starts to cycle from C to his home village A in a straight line. But after he travels 30 kilometers from C, he reaches M, a village, and on further traveling he reaches N before he reaches his home village A. It is given in the question that the three villages B, N and C make an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So this property will come handy to us later. Then it is also given that the triangle made by the villages B, M and A make a right angle triangle at M. And finally, the guy in question asks us a question that if he makes a round trip from his home village A through the village B, then to N and back to his home village A, then what will be the distance covered by him? That means we need to find out the perimeter of this triangle ABN. So let's find out. So first of all, focus on this equilateral triangle B and C. As I have said earlier that in an equilateral triangle all the angles are equal, that means they are 60 degree. So angle C, angle N and angle B are all 60 degree. So we'll keep 60 here because we'll need this angle later. Now you can bring your attention to the right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle, if this angle is 60, then this has to be 30. This is because in a right angle triangle, the angle opposite to 90 degree are complementary. So if this is 60, so this will be 30. Now it is given that the triangle BMA is a right angle triangle at M. So if angle BMA is a right angle, so angle BMC is also a right angle. That's because CA is a straight line. Now you can bring your attention to triangle BMC, which is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, the cos of angle BCM, that is the cos 60 degree, will be equal to the base of this triangle, that is CM, or the hypotenuse of this triangle, that is CB. So we can see here that in triangle BMC, CM or CB is cos of angle BCM. So we have CM as 30 kilometers, that is already given. So we write 30 here. CB is what we need to find out, and cos angle BCM is 60 degree. So we have cos 60 degree as half. So on solving this, we get CB as 60 kilometers. Now in this triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, the tan of BCA, that is 60 degree, will be perpendicular over base. So perpendicular is BA and base is BC. So here you can see that tan angle BCA is BA over BC. So tan angle BCA is tan 60 degree, and BA is what we need to find out, and BC we have already found 60. So tan 60 degree is root over 3. So we get BA as 60 times root 3 kilometers, or approximately 103.923 kilometers. Then we use the Pythagoras theorem, that is the distance AB square plus the distance BC square will be equal to the distance AC square. So BC is 60 kilometers, so we have 60 square. BA we have just found out 60 times root 3, so it is 60 times root 3 square, and CA is what we need to find out. So we just solve this equation and then we get CA equals to 120 kilometers. We have known that CA is 120 kilometers. We know that CN is 60 kilometers. This is the side of an equilateral triangle. 120 minus 60 will give us NA equals to 60. So now we have AB as 60 times root 3. We have BN as 60 because this is the side of an equilateral triangle, and we just found out that NA is also 60 kilometers. So the perimeter of the triangle AB and N will be 60 times root 3 plus 60 plus 60, will get it approximately equal to 223.923 kilometers. Therefore our answer will be the distance covered in making a round trip from home village A on the triangle ABN is 223.9 kilometers approximately. Answer. Thank you friends, and please do not forget to subscribe, and if you like this video you can press that thumbs up. Thank you once again.